Now we're going to start on today's project, which is going to be the Athena Body Arm Guard, Part 1. Here's some materials you're going to need. Alright, so first you're going to need this. I'll show you. So you're going to need two-sided tape. You need two-sided tape to add it for your. See right here, you get it. Two-sided tape, cut it. One should make do now. You cut it, form it right here. And voila. Got fit. Now next, you're going to need to cut another piece. Cut another piece of this right. You glue it. See? Get lined up. Get good. Get good. Yeah, kind of like scene party monster. Say, then voila, you got it. You add your yellow foam sheet on, so it'll be sturdy. Now, the next part is going to be, you bolt this, and you're going to need your front part, your front plating. So, you're going to bend in shape for it to work, right here. Bend in shape. It's going to be so good. And you got your tape. Just going to tape some more. Voila. Yeah, so. So, you rip a piece and cut it at the same time. Then you add some tape right here for your cross portion. Add some more. And voila, you got armored. We're going to do some more. Well, I did punch to see how much force it applied. And, well, folks, that's it tonight. Tomorrow we'll do another round, which this is going to be second layer here. And also, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And see you later. Adios.